Hi all, this is Harsha. Welcome back to my channel. Let's go directly into the topic. Today we'll find different tricks to find a square of a number. Okay, so let's start it. So as of now, the initial part of this video I'll be teaching you how to find a duplex of a number, and later we use this duplex trick to find the square of a number. We'll have three different tricks to find a square of a number. So out of those tricks, one of the trick is the finding a square of a number by using the duplex method. First, let's see what a duplex of a number is, and then we can go to the trick. Okay. If you actually know what a duplex of a number is, you can skip the next 3 minutes where I'll be teaching you how to find a duplex. Now, how to find a duplex of a number? Suppose if the number has a single digit, that is, for example, if it is 7, its duplex is nothing but its square, that is 49. So duplex of 7 is 49. So we'll take another example. For example, 6. So nothing but 6 square, that is 36. Now if the number is of 2 digits, suppose we assume it as 34. So duplex of 34 is nothing but 2 times of the multiplication of these two numbers, that is 3 4s are 12 and 12 into 2, 24. If you're confused, we'll take another example. So suppose if it is 78, duplex of 78 is nothing but twice, that is 7 into 8. So 78 is a 56, 56 into 2, that is 112. Just to make sure that you are understanding, I'm considering 2 examples here. So let's see the duplex of a 3-digit number. So assume the number is 3, 4, 5. So how to find a duplex of this number? It's nothing but twice this 3 into 5, that is 2 into 3 into 5, and then square it, square the middle number and add it to this, that is 4 square. So 15 into 2, 30 plus 4 square, that is 16, that is 46. So for example, I'll write it down here, 15 into 2 plus 16, that is 30 plus 16 is 46. Let's take another example of the 3-digit number. Suppose if it is 789. So how to find a duplex? It is nothing but twice 7 into 9 plus the square of the middle number, that is 8 square. So this comes out to be 63 into 2, 2 into 63 plus 64. So this is nothing but 126 plus 64 is nothing but 190. So duplex of 789 is 190. So let's see for 4 digits and 5 digits and move on to the trick. Okay. So duplex of a 4-digit number is nothing but twice. Now observe, you need to take these two numbers which are two extremities, that is 3 and 6. 3 into 6. Now remember, you need to add it to the twice the product of 4 and 5. So that is 4 into 5. So twice the product of the number which are at extremities plus twice the product of the number which are in the middle, 4 into 5. So this comes out to be 18 into 2, that is 36, plus 20 plus 20 into 2, that is 40. So this is nothing but 76. So duplex of 3, 4, 5, 6 is 76. So let's take another example of 4-digit number. Suppose it is 7, 8, 9, 4. So how to find? So I suppose by this time you will be knowing extremities 7 into 4 plus twice the product of the middle numbers, 8 into 9. So 28 into 2, 56 plus 72 into 2, that is 144. This comes out to be exactly 200. So a duplex of 7894 is 200. Let's take it for 5-digit number. To find a duplex of a 5-digit number, it's very similar to the 4-digit number, just that we have one number in the middle. So let's take this up and square it. So 5 square plus twice this is similar to the 4-digit number then. Now we have taken out the 5 where we have squared it and kept it, and now we need to just add it into 3 into 7 extremities plus twice the product of 4 and 6. So 5 we have taken down. Now 3 and 7 we have taken at the first equation. Now the left out is 4 and 6. So it is 6 into 4. So this comes out to be 25. 21 into 2, 42, plus 24 into 2, that is 48. We need to just sum this. So this comes out to be 90 plus 25, that is 115. So the duplex of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is nothing but 115. So another example of duplex of 5-digit number. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. So what we have to do? Take out the middle number, square it, plus twice the number which are at extremities. So 6 into 4 plus. So now we have taken down 8, 6, 4 is done. Left out is 7 and 9. So twice 7 into 9. So let's equate it. 8 square, that is 64, plus twice 6 4s are 24 into 2, 48, plus 63 into 2, that is 126. This answer comes out to be 238. So the duplex of 67894 is 238. So suppose if you are now comfortable to find duplex of 5-digit number, then it's very easy that you can find a square of a 5-digit number without any hassle. Okay, so let's see the trick then. So all the 3 tricks in the same video. Before going to the trick where we use the duplex to find out a square, we need to just remember one thing. So if we are finding 2 digits, square of 2 digits, so suppose if it is AB, let's keep it as A and B. So it has to be duplex of A, duplex of AB, that is 2 numbers together, and then duplex of B. Now to find a 3 digits number, so ABC, so the same method, A, AB, then all together ABC, and then just leave the last digits BC and then C. So for 4 digits it's the same, duplex of A and then AB, then ABC, then ABCD, then BCD, keep on decreasing it, CD and D finally. So this looks very lengthy, but when you start practicing, this is the most easiest way, I can assure you. Okay, now I suppose you can write it for ABCDE, that is 5-digit number. So let's see, for ABCDE, what is it? A, AB, ABC, ABCD, ABCDE. Now keep on leaving BCDE, CDE, DE and E. We'll try out that with an example. This is not as complicated as you see here. Okay, let's take a simple example as of now. So we need to find a square of 13. So by using trick 1, that is nothing but take a square of 1, that is 0, 1, take 2 digits. Then square of 3 is 9, but take 2 digits, that's 0, 9, and then it's nothing but 2 into 1 into 3. So that comes out to be 6. So make it 0, 6 here. The answer, if you add it, it will be 169. So let's see the trick 2. So how much is 13 greater than 10? So let's keep 10 as base. So how much is it greater? 3 plus 3. So we need to compensate with minus 3. Now we need to have 2 different parts. So since we have kept 10 as base, we have only 1 0 in 10. So let's multiply 3 into 3, that is 9. And then we need to have 2 numbers, that is 13 plus 3, that is 16, and 13 minus 3, that is 10. So we need to divide it by 10 to eliminate this particular 10. So cancelled. So remaining is 16 and 9. Since we have only 1 0 in 10, we can take one number from here, that comes out to be 169. So the third trick is finding a square by using the duplex method. So how to find? So it will be the duplex of 1 and then combine 2 digits, duplex of 13 and duplex of 3. So we know duplex of 1 is that 1 square, that is 1, and duplex of 13 is 2 into 1 into 3, that is 2 into 1 into 3. So that comes out to be 6. The square of 3. So this is nothing but 169. Okay. These two methods may look simple for 2 digits and 3 digits, but when it comes to 4 and 5, the duplex method will be the most easiest one. Let's take another example and just finish off the 2 digits number. So let's see how to find a square of 94. Okay. So trick 1. What is it? Square of 9, that is 81. Square of 4, that is 16. And then 2 into 9 into 4. So 36 into 2. So that comes out to be 72. Just add this 3, 8, 8. Done. Trick 1 done. Trick 2. So let's now take 100 as base, as this is near to 100. 94 is near to 100. So how much is 94 less than 100? That is minus 6. To compensate, write plus 6. So 2 parts as I said earlier. So 6 square, that is 36 at this right part, and at the left part what it should be? 94 minus 6, that is 88, into 94 plus 6, that is 100. To compensate, let's divide it by 100. This is gone. So remaining is 88. Since there are 2 zeros in 100, we have kept 100 as base. So we need to take 2 numbers from here, that is 36. In trick 3, we will use duplex method. So duplex, how to find out? Duplex of 9 and duplex of 94 and then duplex of 4. So duplex of a single digit number, nothing but it's square. And duplex of 94, 2 into 9 into 4, that is 72. Duplex of 4, that is 16. Now let's use the substitution method. So 6, let's take it here, let's take this one here. So 73, and we will take down 3 here, 7, let's pass it on here. 81 plus 7, that is 88. Let's find a square of a number by using the duplex method. So we have 3 digits. So as I said, so it has to be the duplex of 1. Then let's take 2 digits together, that is duplex of 11. Then let's take 3 digits together, duplex of 112. And then the last 2. So first number first, then first and second number, then first, second, third. Then let's leave the first digit. So duplex of 12. And then duplex of 2. Now we know how to find the duplex of numbers. So this is nothing but 1 square. So duplex of 11 is 2 into 1 into 1. That comes out to be 2. And then duplex of 3 digits. How? So twice the product of the numbers at the extremities. It is 2 into 1 into 2. Let's write it down. 2 into 1 into 2 plus square of the number which is in the middle. That is 1. So this is nothing but 4 plus 1, 5. Now duplex of 12 is nothing but 2 into 1 into 2. So that comes out to be 4 here, and then this is square of 4. So let's use the balancing method. So 4, 4, 5, 2, 1. 1, 2, 5, 4, 4 is the answer. Can we find a square of the number by using the trick 2 we did for 2 digits number? Yes, of course we can do. So how? So 112. How much is 112 exceeding 100? So that is plus 12. Compensate with minus 12. Now let's see. Divide it into 2 parts. 12 square, that is 144. Now, so 112 plus 12, that is 124 into 112 minus 12, that is nothing but 100. So let's divide it by 100 to compensate. So gone. So remaining is 124, and here it's 144. Now how many digits should we take it from the right part? So we have kept 100 as the base. There are 2 zeros. We need to take up only 2 digits from here. Pass 1 to this one. So 124 plus 1, that is 125. And from here 44. Answer is same. Now where do you face a problem while using trick 2? If the number is 836, now if you take 800 as base, then you need to keep, suppose if you keep 800 as base, you have to keep as plus 36 and minus 36. Now you need to find the square of 36, and then it comes out to be 800 into 872, and then it is square of 36 square. So this looks a bit complicated. So it's better to use the duplex method, where you can write it down in one statement and the second step would be definitely your answer. Let's use duplex method to find the square of 836. Now, how to find out? So it is nothing but duplex of 8 and then 2 numbers together, duplex of 83, 3 numbers together, duplex of 836, leave the first digit, duplex of 36 and duplex of 6. Now you know the answer. So duplex of 8 is nothing but 64, duplex of 83, 2 into 8 into 3, that's 24 into 2, that is 48. And how to find out the duplex of 3 digits number? So 2 into extremities plus the square of the middle one. So I'll write it down for your convenience. 2 into 8 into 6 plus the square of 3, that is 9. So it's 48 into 2, that is 96, plus 9, that is 105. So duplex of 36, 2 into 3 into 6, 18 into 2, that is 36, duplex of 6, 36. So let's use the balancing method to find out the answer. So only the unit digit will come here, 3, let's pass 3 to here, 36 plus 3, that is 39, let's keep 9 here, pass 3 here, 105 plus 3, 108, let's keep 8 here, pass 10 here, 48 plus 10, 58, let's keep 8 here, pass 5 here, 64 plus 5, 69. So this is how we find out by using duplex method. So as I said, this looks a bit complicated. You need to find out the square of 36, then multiply 872 by 8. Let's find the square of a 4-digit number by using duplex method. Now, how? So first, let's start from the left. So duplex of 3, then 34, then 345, and next 3456, and then let's keep on leaving the last digit, 456, then 56 and 6. So it is 3, 34, 345, 3456, and then 456, then 56, and then 6. So duplex of 3, nothing but square, it is 9. Duplex of 34, 2 into 3 into 4, that's 12 into 2, 24. Now duplex of 345, 2 into 3 into 5 plus 4 square, that is 16. So 15 into 2, 30 plus 16, that is 46. Now duplex of 3, 4, 5, 6, how to find out? Twice the numbers which are in extremities plus twice 4 into 5. So this, by practice, you can eliminate this step. So for your convenience, I am just writing it down. So 18 into 2, that is 36, plus 20 into 2, that is 40. So duplex of 3, 4, 5, 6, nothing but 76. Now duplex of 4, 5, 6, twice 6 into 4 plus 5 square. Remember, it's the square of 5. So 24 into 2, that is 48, plus 25. So that comes out to be 73. So duplex of 56, 2 into 5 into 6, 30 into 2, that is 60, plus, that is square of 6 is 36. So we have almost got the answer. Just we need to balance it and keep the direct answer. Okay, so let's see. So it is 6. Pass it on 3 to here. 60 plus 3, that is 63. We are keeping 3 here. Passing 6 here. 73 plus 6, that is 79. Keep 9. Pass 7. 76 plus 7, that is 83. 3, pass 8. 46 plus 8 is nothing but 54. Let's keep 4 here, pass 5 here. 24 plus 5, 29. Let's keep 9 here, pass 2 here. 9 plus 2, that's 11. So you have got the answer directly. 11943936. You can verify in the calculator. Let's take another tough example and let's solve it. Okay. So how to find? So duplex of 9, then duplex of 98, 987, 9876. Let's leave on the numbers. Now duplex of 786 and then duplex of 76, then last duplex of 6. So let's find out. Duplex of 9 is square of it 81. So it's a 72 into 2, that is 144. Then duplex of 987, 2 into 9 into 7 plus 8 square, that is 7 9 7s are 63 into 2, that is 126 plus 64, that comes out to be 190. Then 2 into 9 into 6 plus 2 into 8 into 7. So what is this? 9 6 are 54 into 2, that is 108, and then 8 7 are 56 into 2, that is 112. What does this comes out to be? This comes out to be 220. Then duplex of 876, 2 into 8 into 6 plus 49. 48 into 2, that is 96 plus 49, this comes out to be 145. Duplex of 76, 2 into 7 into 6. So 42 into 2, that is 84. Duplex of 6, 36. The next step is to derive the answer. So we need to keep 6, pass on the unit tens digit here. 84 plus 3, 87. Let's keep 7 here, pass 8 here. 145 plus 8, 153. 3 here, 15 here. 220 plus 15, 235. 5 here, 23 here. Out of 235, 23 here and 5 here. So you can just keep on adding the unit digits. 0 plus 3, that is 3, and 19 plus 2, 21. You can pass it on here. 4 plus 1, keep 5 here. 14 plus 2, 16. Pass it on here. 81 plus 16, 97. So this is the square of 9876. Trick 2, which we saw for 2 digits number, people say that is more comfortable. Now apply that trick for this 9876. That's very tedious. Okay, that's not that much easy to find out the answer. Here, if you practice, you can eliminate this step as well as this step as well, and you can directly write this step and then the answer in 2 steps. So this is more easier than those 2 tricks, first 2 tricks. So let's use duplex method to find a square of 5 digits number. So for the convenience, since we have seen the steps earlier for 4 digit number, it's pretty similar. But the thing is, we need to find out the duplex of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rest all remains the same as the 4 digit number. So duplex of 5 digit number, what is it? So 2 into extremities 3 into 7, that is 28, plus 2 into 4 into 6 plus 5 square, that is 25. So 21 into 2, 42, plus 24 into 2, that is 48, plus 25, this comes out to be 115. So rest is balancing it. So 9, let's take down 4 here, 84 plus 4, 88, 8 here and 8 here, 106 plus 8, 114, 4 here, 11 here, 116, 7 here, 12 here, again 7 here, 12 here, so 8 here, 54, 5 here, 9 and 1. So this is the final answer. Don't you feel this is pretty much easy compared to the other tricks? Since you have seen the video till now, as an additional tip, I'll give one more trick. That is, I suppose you would have known this earlier as well. Suppose if the number ends by 5, to find the square of this number, so it's simple. You just need to square this number, that is 25. And what is the next digit of 2? That is 3. 2 into 3, 6. 625. Can we apply to the other number? Yes. Suppose 85. Square of 85. So same 2 digits, that is 25. Square of 5, that is 25. First part of the answer. So what is the next number of 8? That is 9. It's a 72. That is 725. Can we apply to the 3 digits number? 125. Yes, definitely. So what is square of 5? That is 25. Keep it. The next number to 12 is 13. 12 into 13, I suppose if you remember the tables, it should be 156. 15625. Now this applies for the number only if it is ending with 5, not for the other numbers. Please be very careful. So let's stop it here. I assume that it was a bit helpful for you. So if it's helpful, please like the video and share as well. Let's meet in other videos. Bye.